Hello friends, today we will learn how to draw basic design in Stitch Max software. First, we will go to the image section and open the design. So, this is our basic design too. You have learned the method of drawing using the Bezier tool with line fill, using left click and right click. Now, let's learn how to edit, delete, and change an object. Now, we will draw one line and add another within this design. For that, first, we will select the Bezier tool with line fill. In this way, we don't need to place each point individually. Here, you need to press and hold Alt and then right-click. By pressing Alt and right-clicking, a half-round shape is created here, which is called a semi-point. Then, you need to left-click here and press Enter. Here, you can see white colored dots in the object, which are called needle points. The distance between two needle points is called a stitch. If you want to decrease or increase the length of the stitch, you need to select the object and then press F. Pressing F will open the line fill parameters. In this, the first option is the stitch length. You can set the stitch length to your desired value from here. For example, if we have set it to 2 mm here, you can use the measurement tool to see that the distance between two needle points is coming out to be 2 mm. Here we have drawn one line, add another line. For that there is an option to add outline. Add outline has 3 shortcuts. Alt plus U, Control plus Alt plus U and Shift plus Alt plus U. Right-clicking on the tool of Add Outline opens its parameter. The first option inside is Offset. The purpose of the offset is to set the distance between the lines. To check the distance, we will use the measurement tool. Something will come a distance of 1 mm. First, go to the parameters of the Add Outline tool. Set the offset distance to 1 mm. Next, enable the Add Inside option. After that, the same color option has to be turned on. After that, the number of outlines and however many lines you need should be written here. After that comes the stitch length. In the line fill parameter, you should keep the same length as set there. If we select the line and press Alt plus U, an inside line will be added. Pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus U adds the line outside. And if you want to add lines on both sides, you need to use Shift plus Alt plus U. In this way you have to make this design. If we want to make this leaf, then first we have to take Bezier with line fill. First, you need to left click, then for a semi-point, use Alt plus right click. For the second side, complete it point by point and press Tab to close the object. After creating any new object, you first need to change its stitch length. Then, to add an inside line, you need to use Alt plus U. You can see here that the line has been added. In this way, all the line fill objects have to be drawn. To draw flowers, you also have to fill the Bezier with line. Create objects by using left and right clicks. After completing the object, you have to set the length, then Alt plus U for inside and Control plus Alt plus U for outside. So in this way, you have to draw all the circles and fill all the lines to create the objects. If you want to change the color of all objects at once, you need to select one object, then click on the line fill tool while holding the Shift key. Then, whatever color you select will be applied to all objects. After completing the outline in the design, you can see here that the yellow color fill is called sateen fill. So, for the sateen fill, we will use Bezier with sateen fill. The shortcut key for this is F2. After selecting Bezier with sateen fill, you need to draw between the two lines as you did for the outline. To close the object, press the Tab key. Here you can see that the fill applied in the image has more spacing, while the object we have drawn has less spacing. If you want to change the spacing of the sateen fill, you need to press F. This will open the sateen fill parameters. Here the option will come stitch spacing. You can change the spacing in the object. For example, we have put 0.75 here, then the spacing will increase. After that, if you have to change the direction, then for that is the fill direction. Its shortcut is Alt+R. After pressing Alt+R, wherever you move this line, it will be set in that direction. After that, you have to do Escape. By selecting the fill, you can also change the color. You have to draw all the small leaves in the same way. Use F to Bezier with sateen and Alt+R for direction. After that, you need to draw a big leaf. For that, you should use the dual side. Dual side shortcut key is F11. After taking the dual side, first you have to draw the first side, then enter it. The second side has to be drawn in front of the side, then enter ke dena. After creating the object with the dual side tool, to change its direction, you should use multiple directions. Its shortcut key is Alt+Shift+R. After selecting multiple directions, you need to draw a line from outside one boundary to outside the other boundary. The direction will change according to how you draw this line. You can change the direction of the corner by moving the point, so in this way, you need to create all the medium-sized leaves. To draw a large leaf, you need to select dual sides. In this leaf, you need to draw half on each side. First you have to draw the first side, then press Enter. After that, the second side draw has to be entered. Here, a sateen fill has been applied. After that, you need to draw the second part in the same way. When drawing on dual sides, make sure that if you started the first side from the bottom, then you should also start the second side from the bottom. We'll also change the spacing by going to the parameter. After making all these leaves, you have to make a flower. To make the flower, you need to take a dual side. On the first side, you have to draw between both the outer lines on the outside. Left-click on the corner and right-click to take shape. To end the first side of the object, we have to enter here. Now you have to start the second side from the front of it, in the middle of both the lines. After entering, the sateen fill has been applied here. It has to be used to give direction, multiple directions. After that, we will change its spacing. Here you can see that small big stitch is coming. If you want to make all the stitches the same, then the option for that is short stitch, so the option has to be closed. If you want to change the color of multiple sateen fill objects at once, you need to select one sateen fill object, hold down the Shift button, and click on the sateen fill tool. Then, you can change the color to whatever you want. You can also change the spacing of all objects in the same way. After all the flowers are complete, you have to draw a circle here. After drawing the circle, we have to apply star fill from here. We will see its size here in X and Y. You have to turn on this option so that the size of the star is the same in both X and Y. After that, here we have to enter by pressing 3. This will make the size of the star 3 mm. You have to keep the star selected, place the star up with Control. After that, there is a PR tool on the fly array rotation. Using it will copy the object to rotation. Right-clicking on it will open the property. You can write the number here. We can also apply it by using plus, and by using, we can reduce or even increase the object. Similarly, you have to apply this in the middle of all the flowers. In the middle of the largest flower, you can see that the satin fill has been applied. For that you can also use the dual side. You can also apply satin fill by drawing circles. First you have to draw a big circle in line fill. After that, a small circle has to be drawn where satin fill is wanted. First the circle has to be selected, then Shift button is to select the second circular, then Ctrl+W has to be pressed. By doing Ctrl+W, both objects are welded. After that we can apply satin fill in it. Here you can see that the satin fill has been applied. The outer side of the flower has made all the petals separate. For that you have to use the dual side. The first side of the object has to be made then entered. Then the second side has to be drawn below and entered. So in this way all the petals of the big flower have to be made separately. After taking the dual side, the first side has to be made hard point and then the soft point has to be placed with the alter and enter after completing it. After that, the second side has to be drawn and then entered. And the spacing of the object also has to be changed. Whatever fill you have applied, for example satin fill, line fill, star fill, if you want to hide it then there is a shortcut for that. Press V and the fill is hidden. Its tool is here, hide filling. If you have to hide this backcolor outline show, it is also called drawing line. Then for this, here are the tools given for the show outline. Its shortcut is L. To hide the needle point show, you have to use the dot. Its tools are here to show needle points. If you want to see the design in 3D view, then its tools are here, but 3D view, its shortcut is T. So in this way you have to complete the second design. All you have to do is create an outline, for which you have to use the add outline. After that, for small leaves, use Bezier with satin, fill direction of direction. After that, big leaves and flowers have to be made. For that, dual side has to be used. For that, multiple direction has to be used. For the circle, the size has to be changed by drawing the circle from star fill, then using on the fly array rotation, so that the object is copied in rotation. So this was the Stitch Max softwares under Basic Design 2.